Welcome, my name is Thomas Ledford. I'm here to share in this video. Business or hobby answers has implications for deductions. And so just an overview of starting a business and what that looks like from the IRS perspective. Because some people do things that's a hobby, which is not intended to produce a profit or income. And some people outright start a business that's geared towards generating income and a profit for them to take care of them and their families. So in this video, it's going to just roughly go over the description of that and what the IRS says when it comes to you starting a business and what factors play a role if it's a business versus a hobby. It says, in order to educate taxpayers regarding their filing obligation, this fact sheet, the 11th in a series, explains the rules of hobby expenses account for a portion of overstated adjustments, deductions, exemptions, and credits that add up to $30 billion per year in unpaid taxes, according to IRS estimates. In general, taxpayers may deduct ordinary and necessary expenses for conducting a trade or business. An ordinary expense is an expense that is common and accepted in the taxpayer's trade or business. A necessary expense is one that is appropriate for the business. Generally, an activity qualifies as a business if it is carried on with the reasonable expectations of earning a profit. In order to make the determination, taxpayers should consider the following factors. Does the time and effort put into the activity indicate an intention to make a profit? Does the taxpayer depend on income from the activity? If there is a loss, are they due to circumstances beyond the taxpayer's control, or did they incur it in startup phase of the business? Has the taxpayer changed methods of operations to improve profitability? Does the taxpayer or his or her advisor have the knowledge needed to carry on the activity as a successful business? Has the taxpayer made a profit in similar activities in the past? Does the activity make a profit in some years? Can the taxpayer expect to make a profit in the future from the appreciation of assets used in the activity? The IRS presumes that an activity is carried on for profit if it makes a profit during at least 3 of the last 5 years, including the current year, at least 2 of the last 7 years of activities that consist primarily of breeding, showing, training, or racing horses. So yeah, just a simple overview of getting started in a business and knowing what's a business trade or activity versus a hobby. So in this video, it's all about having the right education, the right interpretation of the education that you're consuming, the right perspective and attitude, and best business practices when it comes to starting your business and getting things set up. When it comes to this here section of the website, because like I say, I utilize irs.gov for all my training and all the things I need to know and learn and be abreast of. I utilize this website because that's what it was put here for. So it's my number one resource for information and training that I use to train with my students on what's going on in the industry of income tax preparation for people who taking my basic course or people taking my career coaching training program. Everything I use is strictly from the IRS.gov website. It comes straight from the horse's mouth when it comes to this industry, and I don't too much rely on third-party information. Everything is strictly from the IRS.gov website. So if you're looking to start a business, and your intentions are to get into an activity that's geared to make a profit, that's the basic overlying view of starting a business with the intentions of making a profit. So when you decide that you're going to start a business versus a hobby, those are some of the things that they want you to take a look at as far as the questions that was just went over inside this video. So if you need someone to work with to get you started on your journey to income tax preparation, and you're looking for someone who can simply guide you through a process of getting you started in the income tax preparation industry and keeping it simple for you. My coaching program is designed for new people who are in the industry, who want to get started on the right foot, who want to get started in the right way, who want to stay compliant and have the things in order on the front end as well as the back end of running an income tax service done properly and effectively. So you're interested in that, in my description area of my video, I'm going to leave my contact information so you can reach out to me for more information on my coaching program for people who want to make a career in the income tax preparation industry only niche. I'm not talking about accounting services. I'm not talking about bookkeeping services at this point. My coaching career program is for individual income tax preparation only. And from there, you get to grow and groom yourself and learn and expand and decide what direction you ultimately want to go in as you build a foundation for yourself and your business. So when it comes to being in business, it's a whole other arena opposed to being an employee. So when you position yourself as an employer, which is the boss, you must be creative and resourceful enough to be able to get the job done, either directly or indirectly, meaning you're going to be great at delegating services to people who are qualified to get the job done in different areas of the business. Like me, I'm not the jack of all trades, master of none. I basically delegate assignments out to people who qualify to do them. So when it comes to social media, when it comes to the bookkeeping, when it comes to marketing, when it comes to all the different aspects of running and operating your business, you have certain individuals or a team that's can put together that helps you to be able to get the job done on the front end as well as the back end. So my coaching program, we're doing a special for the month of February. So if you're interested in more information, just reach out to me with the contact information inside the description area. You get a bonus if you decide to work with me, because I'm my digital education and marketing training that I'm learning. You get to get that hands-on from me for no extra charge, which is going to allow you to be able to leverage the internet to get your business off the ground, to get your business fast-tracked, to get your business in front of hundreds of thousands of people that you normally wouldn't be able to do in a traditional marketing strategy when it comes to offline versus online marketing and advertising. So using a combination of both strategies will help supercharge your success, your awareness, your brand, building know, like, and trust, having a message crafted for your ideal client who going to resonate with what you have to offer is going to be the key to your message. So the things I share in my video is based on part of my digital marketing training that I'm getting, that's helped me to grow my traditional brick and mortar income tax / coaching business by leveraging the internet in a way that the internet was intended for, that is so powerful that so many entrepreneurs / small business owners are leveraging videos specifically to bring their message to the marketplace, to bring awareness to what they do and what they're about and what's in it for you. If you decide to connect and do business with them, it's the big picture of why video marketing is so powerful, especially YouTube in itself. So YouTube course we have for $297 that you can invest in and get my free giveaway that I have to go with that, along with some ongoing free bonus digital educational training that comes along with that package as well. So like I say in this video, if you looking to get started and you want to specialize in a career in the income tax preparation industry like I have done over the last 18 years, the last 12 as a business owner, then I love to work with you. I'd have you reach out to me. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so when I do an upload or a live stream, which I'll be doing more of this month throughout the rest of the year. You get to follow me on my journey, because I'm also on the road to financial freedom as well, because I always, what I realized through having clarity and being clear about my direction and where I want to go with my business and how to leverage the internet, I realized I always had time freedom, but I didn't necessarily always have financial freedom. So I'm on the road to financial freedom as well, to go with me building out my ideal business model for myself with my income tax preparation and coaching program by leveraging on the internet. That's going to allow me get more people to see what I had to offer in the marketplace when it comes to my business, which is going to help me to get more revenue through the door as a result of that. You know what I'm saying? So building my audience to the point where a percentage of those people going to do business with me is the big picture when it comes to that. So if you don't understand some of the things I'm talking about in this video, then connecting with me and working with me would definitely be a plus and an asset for helping you to improve your overall lifestyle for you and your business and your family going forward. So again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notification so you can follow me on my journey to financial freedom. And as my mission is to help more and more entrepreneurs / business owners to get started in business and become successful in business by having everything built out and crafted the correct way on the front end as well as the back end. So if you'd like to be a part of my team and part of what I do, and you identify with my message, then I'd love to have you reach out to me, leave me a comment in the comment section of the video, and I'll see you in my next video.